We're here at Tower 2 at 1 Bangkok. As we are approaching the completion of the building, the majority of the remaining work is in two areas. One area is the main lobby as we enter the building, and the rest is to complete the floors to hand over. For the lobby, we are aiming to complete the lobby by the end of April, and we are on target. So the first fix, which is the mechanical electrical above ceiling, is 100% done. The ceiling is already 20% done. The marble wall on the side is 50% done. For the remaining of the floor to hand over, we have 24 floors. The first client will move in on the 1st of May, so we're on target to hand over to them as well. We're here at the prototype of Fraser Suite. At this time, we are at the most critical part of the construction where we start the interior work of the rooms as well as the lobby, and we will soon start the restaurant. At the moment, we are just finishing off the top of the building and the crane will shortly be removed. There are 261 rooms, 29 per floor. At the moment, the contractor, we only have one ID contractor working mainly on the 38, 39, 40 and 41 full floors. They are at about 60% to about 45%. In terms of the restaurant, the design will be completed, the tender set will be completed by the end of March. But rather than waiting for the tender set to be completed by the end of March and start construction after that, we are progressively working with the contractors and try to get it done as a fast-track delivery so that we can get the restaurant done open by the 1st of December as well. In terms of the lobby, we have two main lobbies, one is in the ground floor and the other one on the 36th floor. Those are going well. They're just starting now, about 15% done.
Today we are at Pathom House. The contract for the first phase has been awarded to Vita. The scope includes 4 prototype guest rooms, the guest room corridor, lift car, and also the remaining scope of the MEP main riser for the whole building. We are targeting the full completion and the owner's approval on the prototype room by May. Next package, covering the remaining guest rooms. We are targeting to award and commission the work by May as well. Looking at our schedule, we are still on track for our opening date at the end of April 2027.
At Exchange 7, a total of 48 units have complete customer inspection, with 20 units already handed over. In addition, 115 units from level 6 to 33 are functionally complete, and 54 units are ready for consumer inspection. Furniture installation have been complete for level 34 to 39, while MEP first fix is complete for other level except level 14 and penthouse unit. All non-penthouse units are targeted to be complete by the end of June. For the penthouse unit, the combined drawings are in progress, and MEP first fix is scheduled to commence by the end of March.
We are at the ground floor of P5 parking building. The overall schedule is now 21.7% compared to the plan 22.4%. We are 0.7% different. Let's say we are still on schedule. We keep working on the structure work to maintain the schedule.